In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a phone number on the Bank of America app. Whether you're looking to update your contact details or remove a number you no longer use, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process in a clear and straightforward manner, helping you manage your account efficiently. Let's start by opening the Bank of America mobile app on your device. Once you've got the app launched, go ahead and tap on the Sign In button. You'll need to enter your credentials, your username and password to access your account. Make sure these details are kept secure and confidential, as they are your gateway to your sensitive financial information. After you've successfully signed in, look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here, you'll either see a menu icon, which resembles three horizontal lines, or a profile icon. Tap on it, and from the drop-down menu, select Profile and Settings. This section is your hub for managing all your personal account information and preferences. Within the Profile and Settings menu, you'll want to find and tap on Contact Information. Once you're in the Contact Information section, navigate to the Phone Numbers area. This is where all the phone numbers linked to your account are housed, including any mobile, home, or work numbers you've previously added. Now that you're viewing your saved numbers, it's time to pinpoint the one you'd like to remove. Go ahead and tap on the specific number you no longer want associated with your account. Once you've selected it, look for the Delete or Remove Number option and tap on that. At this point, the app will prompt you to confirm your choice to delete the number. Be aware that if the number is linked to any Bank of America services like Zelle or set up to receive alerts, you'll first be guided through a process to unlink it from those services. It's important to complete this step to ensure there are no disruptions in any services you use. After confirming, the app will display a message saying, "Phone number removed successfully." To ensure everything went smoothly, take a moment to review your list of phone numbers again. The number you deleted should no longer appear on the list, confirming that the removal process was completed successfully. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to managing your phone numbers on the Bank of America app. Keeping your contact information up to date is crucial for maintaining secure and efficient communication with your bank. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore the app's help section or reach out to Bank of America's customer support. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your financial information safe and secure.